If you are dreaming to make money on YouTube in 2026, this video is for you. YouTube monetization is changing fast. There are new rules, new income streams, and new opportunities there in 2026. So, even if you are a small creator, you can still earn real money if you do things in a smart way. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to monetize your YouTube channel in 2026 step by step. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel Ethiopia First Tube. Let's get started. The first and most popular way to earn money on YouTube in 2026 is still the YouTube Partner Program. In 2026, YouTube allows monetization if you do have either of the following options. 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the last 360 days, or 500 subscribers, 3 public video uploads during the last 90 days, and 3 million short video views. Once approved, you can earn money from ads, YouTube premium views, short ads, revenue sharings. But remember, long videos and educational content usually earn more than short entertainment videos. The second option is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the best monetization method in 2026, even without ads. Here is how it works. You promote a product or services, you share a link in your description, or you earn commission when someone buys that product or that service. You can also promote online courses, applications, Amazon products, and digital tools. But remember, always recommend products that are related to your content. The third option is selling digital products. In 2026, creators are making serious money by selling ebooks, online courses, templates, executive videos, and others. If you teach something that is valuable, then you are expected to turn your knowledge into a digital product. For example, if you teach the YouTube growth and monetization, then you are expected to create a beginner YouTube guide. The fourth option is channel membership and super thanks. YouTube now supports channel membership, super thanks, super stickers, and super chats. That is mostly used for the live streams. Your loyal fans can support you monthly and get exclusive content, badges, and members only videos from your members. That is how you can monetize your YouTube channel in 2026, even if you are just starting. Remember, YouTube success is not luck, it is strategy and consistency. If this video helped you, please like it, share it to your friends, and subscribe my channel for more YouTube tips. Comment below and let me know which monetization method you want to try first. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.